The National Weather Service in Lubbock, Texas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Bailey County in northwestern Texas, West Central Lamb County in northwestern Texas, until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Amherst, Oregon, 11 miles south of Earth, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Amherst and Sudan. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for northwestern Texas.